Okay, so you've thought about the artist program and you are ready to sign up. This is how you do it. So you'll go straight to the Seint website. You will scroll all the way to the bottom where you see artist program and click there. Once you click artist program, you will need to choose the artist that you're going to sign up under. So figure out who the artist is that you've been chatting with about the program, and you will put their name in there. So that will be the artist that you will sign up under. And then you will choose between two different artist kits. So there is a $199 kit, and then there's a larger kit that is $399. So you can choose between those. As soon as you pick your kit, then you are officially a Seint Artist.
And then you can absolutely use that kit however you want. You're gonna get all kinds of product, highlights, contours, lip and cheek colors. You'll get a couple of palettes and a brush or two, and you can use it however you want for your personal use. If you want to use it for gifts and giveaways to get your to get your business off the ground, you can absolutely do that as well. The artist who signed you up will always be available to help you and just kind of guide you on the best way to get started. So it's just such a great deal, so much product that you can use, and lots of guidance and support all along the way.
And then I was just thinking when you were talking, Jess, another question I feel like people ask is if they can pick the colors that are in the artist kits, and unfortunately you cannot. So you will just get a variety of different shades of highlighters, like Jess said, lip and cheek. You won't really know the exact brushes or palettes that you're gonna get. So like she said, you can choose to keep some of those for your own personal, collection if you want once you get it, or choose to use that stuff for giveaways. But Seint will just put a collection together for you, depending what kit you pick, and that will kind of be your starter kit.
Yeah.
So
perfect.
that's it. Super easy.
So easy.
Pick the kit and you basically are signed up.
You literally are an artist in 5 minutes.
Super easy.
Yay.